Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to make money online with shrinkme.io. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. ShrinkMe.io is a URL shortening platform where it allows users to create a shorter and a more manageable links for sharing on social media, websites, or other platforms. And with these shortened URLs, it allows you to earn money. ShrinkMe.io is actually the highest paying URL shortener where you can earn for up to $220 for 10,000 views, which means for every link that you shorten, for every person that would click on it and view the content, you will earn a certain money for that. And for you to get started, what you can do is you need to create an account first, and then you will find links that you will shorten, and from there you will be earning money. ShrinkMe.io is actually a free tool where you can create short links, and apart from being free, you will be you will be getting paid as well. So as you can see here are the total clicks, the total URLs that are being shortened, and the total registered users. So for you to begin, what you can do is you can fill out all these informations if you want to update about what the ShrinkMe IO is about, but you can simply go as well into the other tabs as well, where you can look into the payout rates and the payment proofs. Payment proofs are actually the all the informations of the registered users and the amount that they are able to withdraw or they were able to pay out after they used the shortened links so that they will be able to make profit from it as well. So here you can see that even up to the latest date, a lot of people has been withdrawing or getting payouts from using shrinkme.io, and it does not only it also offers you from different payment platforms like PayPal, Payeer, Skrill, depending on what type of payment method you want to withdraw or you want to get the payout from. So here you will be able to see that it is or this is actually a proof or a form of verification on your end that using shrinkme.io is a real thing where it is free, but it does allow you to um, earn money from it as well. And here are the payout rates. So depending on what country you are from, it actually have different rates as well. So here there are $3 from other worldwide deal, and you have Germany, Indonesia, Philippines, Greenland, and Ireland. And as you can see, Greenland has the highest rate. So what you can do here to start is to click on register, and you just need to fill out all these informations like your username, email, password, and you need to verify as well, or you can simply use your Google account to sign in. And once you're signed in, it's very easy. You can just verify your email address and then you can start shortening the links. For here, this is your dashboard. You will be able to see the number of views from the link that you shortened, your total earnings, your referral, and your average CPM as well. So here, you will be able to view the announcements, what are the statistics or the analytics on how your account is improving or how much profit you're making from or how much your total earnings are. This is basically where you'll be able to manage your links or your account so that you will be able to get a payout as well. So as you can see here with shrinkme.io, they actually provide you a balance automatically as a startup so that you will be able to gain money here easily, or it allows you to withdraw money easily. since the minimum payout that they require is $5. So you have $4 more to go. So here you'll be able to see your navigation tools on the right left side panel of the screen. For you to shorten a link, you just click on new shorten link, and you can look for a link that you want to shorten. So for example, it's your website, an e-commerce business, or it could be a video on YouTube that you want to have views on, depending, or any links that you want to shorten. Make sure that when with the link that you choose, it is a link that, or it's a video or is a content that your audience would be interested in watching that specific video, or if they would want to purchase that product. So you can not only limit to viewing a specific video, but it also offers as well like e-commerce business or online shops, depending on what you'd like to incorporate here. So you can just copy the link and then paste it here on the top part. You can add alias, but you can just click on shorten and it automatically provides you a link that's shortened. Currently, your balance is at $1, but once there would be, you will be able to gain a lot of clicks or a lot of views with the link that you have gathered. From there, you will be able to earn money from just by clicking or just by viewing the link. But it does not only um require you, or it does not only require you to have one view. It actually needs you to have a lot of views before you will be able to get that payout that you are wanting to get. So here you just need to make sure that all of the videos that you, or the link that you will be using, that you will be shortening, it should be something that you would be, or your audience would be interested in. So here are some announcements that would definitely help you improve your account as well, so that it will allow you to gain more profit or more earnings as well. So here you can manage your links. This is where you will be able to see all the links that you've shortened here on shrinkme.io, and this is where as well you will be able to look into the details on what are the links that are mostly viewed, and if there's any links that you need to remove and get a new one, so that you will have more profit from it. So the more videos and links you have, the more profit you will gain here on your shrinkme.io account. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to make money online with shrinkme.io. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.